Whakaalofa te makau, mawhala. Leva mga aho, leva mga aho. Ke te ne whileweia, lawe lahi au. What's up peeps, been a long time since we've been back on YouTube, just been busy as. Sorting out my fence at the back. Pretty much done the fence with the neighbor, with the help of my family. So, but that's for the next video. This video, hongi lahi au ke kai ailani, kai ailani. As you can see, got the punu povi, got some mamoi, got some, what's this called, misi new, and some spinach. Manako ke kai palami kai ai taro leaves, so aonge those spinach leaves. Today I'm gonna make palami with spinach leaves or lu. We meant the new way people use the deadly nightshade weed, but I'm gonna use spinach, and instead of wrapping it in foil, I'm just gonna put it in a baking tray and then cover the top with foil. So hope you enjoy this video. Hungry as, hongi lahi au ke kai. Haven't had this in a long time, so this video is for mamoi, lamb, and purupovi, corned beef. Sweet. Hey, so peeps, gonna start making some lu. So I've got the spinach. Using this instead of a deadly nightshade or taro leaves. Just use that. Gonna put on the bottom of my tray like so. Honestly, I've only seen this done once, not many times. I think Hayden did this the last video. But I'm gonna put it down there. Put some spinach down here. Just to start that off. What I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna just put some corned beef in this one. So I'm just gonna open this one up. Hawhangi open, like that. And, ooh, malongi. Let's get a spoon. Love corned beef. The kids love corned beef. Haven't had corned beef in a long time. So I'm just gonna put it in like that with the, oh nah, we don't want the fat. We're trying to stay healthy, so we want the meat and not the fatty bit. Yeah, see? I'm just gonna put it in there like that. Simple as dish. Muka muka ke dause. See that? Corned beef. This corned beef used to be $5 at the warehouse. Now it's gone up to $7. Bit of inflation, if you guys aren't from New Zealand and you guys don't know, we are experiencing inflation in New Zealand. Food prices gone up, I think, by 30%, which is a lot. That's 1 kilo. Look at all that fat. Ngako. We don't want to eat that. Some people like that, not me. So I'm going to open this other one. See that? It's fat. That means that it's getting pretty warm in New Zealand. And then again, I might just use half. Oh, put half in there. The kids love corned beef. Shucks, look at that. Look at this one. Look at that fat. So we're gonna try and get that off. This is what's causing a heart attack. So I'll leave half so we can just eat this one. We can eat. just gonna chop this up. I'm not the best onion cutter, but I can do my best. So we got that. Maybe we do this. Put the onions all over, like so. Put the onions like that, heaps of onions. The onion's gonna give it some nice flavors. And then gonna put the coconut milk on top, but I might mix this with water to make it lighter. So I don't want to have too much coconut milk. Kara's cream is a bit of a classic, but we've got a Palm Island. I think that was the cheap one. Yeah, now we just put the cream in there. And I'm gonna mix it with some water. We're gonna just pour it in. Like so. Like that. You like that? I'm full of my taha. But that's the, whenever I think that New Zealand prices are expensive, I think of Niue. And Niue is like 2 times, sometimes 3 times the price of New Zealand. So if you're living in Niue, it's unlucky else, because your prices are way higher, way more expensive. So this is tomatoes. I'm just chopping them up. Now just gonna put a little bit of tomato in there, just like the tomato sauce. You can see that in there, and then I put the spinach on top. You know, that's like the taro leaves, just cover the whole thing, or lu. We have that thing like that. I'm hoping I just have to put it in for 1 hour and it'll be cooked. So now that's that ready. Now we're coming to the lamb one. Here's got lamb, $21 a kg. I hate buying lamb because it's never, I used to buy it when it was like $10 a kg. Now it's $21 a kg. But again, I think of Niue and think, man, they got a way more expensive. So with this lamb, I'm just gonna cut it into little chunks. You know, I think a lot of people like to use what do they call it? Lamb flaps. You know, nice fatty, nice bit of fat, nice bit of meat. But I'm using lamb chops. This has got a bit, shoulder chops, it's got a little bit more meat on it. So simple. And here we go. I'm gonna put it in here. Put it in there like that. My lamb. Me, I like lots of lamb, eh? I like the taste of lamb. This is an experiment. Because I'm doing a umu this Friday for my in-laws coming from Thailand. So this is just a nice little yep, same knife, you saw that, but it's all good, it's all going in the same place. Some cross-contamination there. But it's all going on the same spot, so put that in there. The onions. Put the onions in there. Put the tomatoes. that in like that. Like so. And then just cover it with the, oh no, forgot the misi. Put the misi on top. Again, this is the first time I've done this in the oven, but this is practice for the umu on Friday. For my in-laws that are coming, I'm going to make this. I might make this along with takihi, but this will be in the umu instead of in the inside umu. This will be for the outside umu. Okay, alright. I didn't know, but once you open spinach, when you open spinach, you're meant to use it 2 days, within 2 days of opening. I usually use it within the week, but you know, that's something I learned 2 years old. Now you get the foil. There's the foila. Yeah, and just like that, wrapper. New Zealand born, male. Look at that. And then this is the mamui one. Wrap like that. On Friday, my mother-in-law is going to bring some banana leaves, so hopefully I can use banana leaves. That's it. Now I'm going to put these in the oven for 1 hour. Wish us luck. We'll see you in 1 hour. Hopefully it tastes good. Okay. Tot filmeren. Thank you, Ari. Alright guys, we're back. I've lost my camera, but I'm just going to open this up and have a look. It smells delicious. Have a look, have a look. Oh, oh. Yeah, it's a bit soft. Let me just have a taste, see what it tastes like. Let me just have the taste. It's manongi, man, manongi. Let's have a taste test. It's might burn my mouth. Smells nice. Smells nice. Oh man, too good. There it is. That tastes nice. Okay guys, whakoelahi mai ke ono mai. Kia monuina tō liu ke whereweia. Thank you guys for watching. The food turned out perfectly. I might show you another video of the mamoi lamb as well, but man, so hungry. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Tō whereweia. Wow. Mamoi, mamoi. Oh, bala mamoi.